me on the Maglev train. This thing is currently going 400 kilometers per hour, and it's fast. Give you a little view of what it looks like outside. Here's how fast we're going. We are flying. How fast, many miles can this thing go?
We're going about 250 miles an hour.
We're going about 250 miles an hour right now. This thing can get up to about 250, 260 miles per hour. The Maglev, the way it's designed is it travels on these tracks that you see next to us here, and it's all it levitates off the tracks. That's why it's called the Maglev. It's based on magnets that keep it above the track, so it floats along the tracks. But this thing is moving. What the seats look like. Pretty cool train. It goes down here like an airplane. It is amazing. This thing tilts and banks like an airplane also. Woo! There went a Maglev right next to us, just scared the crap out of me.
That took me by surprise.
Golly, about knocked the panels off this plane.
Took me by a huge surprise. I did, but I almost missed it because I jumped late.
So there you are, the Maglev. Riverside Guard. Bye-bye for now.